Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing how you can use a simple move operator in Mastertool. I'm here on my toolbox. Under the other operator sections, I'm gonna select my move operator, drag and drop into my next network. I'm gonna delete this normally open contact. So a move operator is pretty simple. You just want to assign the value on the left to the right. So I'm gonna create a variable called move input. And I'm going to assign this variable, the value of this variable, to another variable called move output. So as the name suggests, I'll be moving the value from a place to another. Okay, they're both int, but these variables can be any type that you want. Let's log in into our simulator. Okay, so now on the move input, I'm going to write the value 100, Ctrl plus F7 to write the values, and the value 100 will be moved to our move output. If I have any other value, it will be moved as well.